Immortals, my name is Mika, and today I'm actually unboxing another squirrel art doll. Yes, I have a squirrel problem, don't judge me. I think it's safe to say at this point that squirrels are my favorite animal, and I wasn't expecting to get another squirrel, but then I saw the squirrel on Etsy and I was like, oh my god, I have to have him. Also, I went to the thrift store yesterday and I picked up this cute little chipmunk for like 60 cents, and I love him. Here you go, Bree. Let Bree play with the chipmunk while I unbox my squirrel. Now, this squirrel was from Funanya art dolls. I might be pronouncing that wrong. She's from Poland, and all of her art dolls are really amazing and a really good price. And this squirrel was about $170 with free shipping, so that's nice. And it came super bubble wrapped, which is nice. I don't know what this is. Let's just open it up. What? Oh my god! Oh my god, this is cute. Okay, so I got a little present. Look how cute he is! Oh my goodness! Oh, it's a magnet. It's a little magnet. How cute! I'll see if I can put him on my body for Renfest. If I can't, then I'll just put him on my fridge. That is so cute. I don't know why she sent that. I guess she probably sends these with all of her dolls. Anyway, thank you for that. I love him. That's actually something that I would buy like separately. I was gonna say something and then I forgot because I got distracted by this super cute little sproutling mandrake thingy. Oh, and this came in pretty quickly. I want to say like a couple of weeks. And I actually asked her about this doll a few months ago, I think, at this point. And I asked her if she does payment plans. I asked her about payment plans because I wanted to claim them. I didn't want anyone to take the squirrel, but I couldn't afford them at the time. So I asked her if she does payment plans, and she said no, but she can take them off the market and then put them back on the market when I'm able to pay for it. So that was super nice. I told her I should be able to afford him like in September, but luckily I was able to afford him now. So yeah, that's super nice of her to do that for me. Oh my god. Okay, this is like, I feel like an unwrapping like an embryo or something. Looks like a little embryo in there. Thank you for fully bubble wrapping him so he was extra safe. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you what I'm seeing right now. Look at him. I don't know if it's going to be a boy or a girl yet. Let me know in the comments if you think it should be a girl or a boy. It's something different seeing them in person because like this is the exact same squirrel that I saw on Etsy. She didn't make me a separate squirrel, like this is the squirrel that I saw. But it's just something else when you see them in person. It just looks so much better in person. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. So he's made with faux fur, and the hard bits are clay, so he's just like Willow over here. So his tail is fully posable. Probably everything is posable. Yeah, everything is posable except for the ears. The ears are probably made of clay. So what really attracted me to the squirrel was the realism. He looks so real, and he's actually squirrel sized, and I thought that I could use another squirrel, not to replace Willow, but another option instead of just Willow, because Willow is really big and really heavy, and a lot of kids think that he's a fox. So his fingers are really cute, first of all, but they're not posable. They are made of clay, like the whole thing is. So the thing about the fingers is I'm hoping that they are made with a really good sturdy clay. Breed, stop it! Breed's at that age where she wants to mess with literally everything. Stop it! So I'm hoping that the fingers are made with a really durable clay because they are individual fingers. Like on Willow, his fingers are like this, so his fingers cannot break off. So I have to be very careful with this squirrel because it is possible that one of the fingers would break off. But since they are individual fingers, they look a lot more realistic. I love his black eyes. They're very reflective. It almost looks like a black mirror, if that even is a thing. Yeah, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to wear him on my shoulder without like his fingers breaking because he is super light. I don't think I'm going to have a problem holding him on my shoulder at all. I don't think he's going to fall backwards or anything like that. I'll just need to get him a little harness. I do have one little criticism. I can tell that the stitching that she used is black, so maybe in the future use a threading that matches the actual fur. But this squirrel I think was cheaper than a lot of her other dolls. So I really like her paint job on his face. I don't know if she used like an airbrush or just regular paint methods. He's super cute and super realistic looking. I think I'm going to add a little scarf like Willow over there. And then his little harness, and then he's gonna sit on my shoulder. I think his name is going to be Chestnut. And let me know in the comments if you think this should be a boy or a girl. I think the squirrel is full of like either cotton or something really squishy in the belly. Unlike Willow, Willow is like stiff pretty much throughout his whole body. I don't know what else to say about him other than he's just so cute and amazing. The only criticism I have for him is the stitching. But besides that, he's just so stinking cute. So realistic looking. I think he's about the perfect size for a squirrel. I've pet squirrels before and I think that's about right. Maybe even slightly bigger. Yeah, I think he might be just a hair bigger than a real squirrel. I definitely recommend you go check out Funanya art dolls. Link will be in the description. Her dolls are very impressive, and let me know what you think of Chestnut the squirrel. Let me know if you would rather see Chestnut on my shoulder with my garb, or if you'd rather Willow on my garb. Either way, I'll probably be switching them out because I love them both for different reasons. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video.